I'm Karen from the Seasons of Living. On today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most important things you can do for healthy chickens. I'm going to show you how to ferment your chicken's feed. Healthy chickens mean healthier eggs for you, and that is the goal. Okay, we're ready to start fermenting our grains for our chickens. I like to use Milo and scratch grains. I like to crack my Milo a little bit just because I have a hand grinder, but it's totally optional. Just use whatever feed that you normally use and use what's available to you. I like to use glass gallon-sized jars to ferment my chicken feed in. I really try to avoid plastics when possible, and it's just really convenient for me to use these. And I can just leave them beside my workroom sink, and it works out great. So I fill the jar about half full of chicken feed. Remember, using a funnel makes this easier. Then I cover the grains with water and I give them a stir. Remember, they're going to double in size as they absorb water. And you want to make sure that they stay below the surface to avoid mold. I put a lid on, just fingertip tight, and set it aside in a cool, dry, darker place, out of sunlight. When I'm making my next batch, I try to stir the grains at least at that time, but I try twice a day. So in 3 days, you should start seeing some bubbles and some foaming, and that means your chicken feed is ready to go. I feed my chickens without straining the fermented liquid off most of the time. But you can strain your liquid or feed with the liquid. I can't find any negative effects for not straining off the liquid. So that's usually easier for me, and that's what I do most of the time. But I always leave a little bit of the grains and liquid in the jar for my next batch. The same thing again, I cover the chicken feed with water, and then I give it a stir and I set it aside. Option 2 is when I strain the feed. I just strain it over a plastic bucket and take the plastic bucket out to the chickens, and I usually will just water my garden, throw the fermenting liquid on my garden. I hope this video will help you in your journey into farmstead living. Remember, chickens are the gateway into homesteading. From our Texas Hill Country Farmstead to you, have a blessed day and see you next time. Bye-bye.